CBS 46 is fighting for our vets. They served our country proudly with a promise that the government would be there for them in their time of need.
But for many vets, that is really not the case. And as our Bobeth Yates reports, the VA has left one Korean War vet between a rock and a hard place.
That vet is Henry Morgan. He was honorably discharged back in the 50s, and now that he's 86 and wanting help from the VA, he says they've left him hanging.
I received 2 bills yesterday that they are the final notice and that they will be going to collection.
Last year, Korean War veteran Henry Morgan had a health scare that landed him in the emergency room. He says the VA is his primary insurer and Medicare is his secondary. Yet months later, the VA has not paid anything.
When I was discharged from the military in June of 1953, the very next month, July, I started gainful employment and worked for the next 48 years paying my own way. I avoided going to the Veterans Administration. And now that I want it, need it, it's being denied, and that hurts.
Morgan says he's gotten several explanations as to why his claim was denied. The latest states the VA is not his primary insurance carrier, and as the result, the hospital incorrectly billed them. Still, attempts to correct that problem has been unsuccessful.
I don't understand why they don't interact to get it straight. They have people's lives at stake, veterans who have not come forward.
Morgan says he's now stuck with bills he's unable to pay, bills just days away from being sent to collections. So he reached out to CBS 46 for help. We contacted the VA, but at the time of this broadcast, the issue still was not resolved.
I'm right in the middle. There seems to be no communication.
The VA says now that they're aware of the problem, they are working quickly to solve it. Bobeth Yates, CBS 46 News.
CBS 46 advocating for our veterans. If you know a vet who is not getting the care or benefits they earned and deserve, we certainly want to know about it. Email fightingforourvets@cbs46.com, or you can call this number 404-327-3055. We'll work to resolve the issue.